At NOV, we care about you and your family. That's why we offer an affordable, high-quality benefits package designed to invest in your long-term health and retirement savings. From plans to keep you healthy to programs that help you plan for a brighter future, we've got you covered. This overview will help you learn more about the plans and programs we offer. If you have any questions after viewing this presentation, please refer to your Benefit Highlights booklet or the NOV Benefits portal at www.usbenefits.nov.com. You can access the portal from any internet browser. Contact the NOV Benefits Service Center for more information. The 2016 annual enrollment period begins November 2nd and ends on November 20th. During this 3-week period, you will need to enroll in medical, dental, and vision to have coverage and provide contribution amounts for the flexible spending accounts if you wish to participate in these programs. You will also need to update your eligible dependents and beneficiaries. Before enrolling in benefits, review your 2016 enrollment materials to learn more about the different options available to you and your family and consider what your health and wellness needs will be in the upcoming year. Review additional information located on the NOV Benefits portal. Don't miss this opportunity to choose the best coverage for your family. Make sure you gather all necessary information, such as your dependents' dates of birth and Social Security numbers, before you enroll. Your elections made during annual enrollment will become effective January 1st and will stay in effect until December 31st unless you experience a qualified change in status. To enroll, visit the new NOV Benefits portal at www.usbenefits.nov.com anytime during the annual enrollment period. Remember, this annual enrollment is an active enrollment. You will not have medical, dental, or vision coverage in 2016 unless you enroll during this period. You also must re-enter your beneficiary and dependent information. The changes we have made this year will help streamline benefits nationwide and offer more options to you and your family. All benefit-eligible employees will be offered the same medical, dental, and vision plans. In 2016, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas will administer all medical plans. Through Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas, you will have access to a nationwide network of physicians and facilities, ensuring that you can receive medical care whenever and wherever you need it most. They even have coverage when you are traveling outside the U.S., either for business or pleasure. BCB STX has experienced customer services representatives available to talk to you and answer any questions you have. NOV will offer 4 medical plan options: the 250 PPO plan, the 500 PPO plan, the 1000 PPO plan, and the new Consumer Plan Plus HSA. The medical plans are designed to make it affordable to access services you and your family need to stay healthy. All of the medical plans now offer free in-network preventative care. When you or a covered dependent visit an in-network doctor for a physical exam, well-woman or well-child visit, or routine tests, these services are covered 100%. With the PPO plans, you will have copays for office visits. Each PPO plan has varying levels of deductible amounts and employee premiums. Receiving care from in-network providers lowers your out-of-pocket costs. In-network coverage can be received through a participating Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas network provider. Visit www.bcbstx.com to find a provider near you. The new medical option, the Consumer Plan Plus HSA, pairs a consumer-driven health plan and a health savings account, or HSA. With the Consumer Plan Plus HSA, you are responsible for all of your medical costs, except in-network preventative care, until you meet your annual deductible. Once you meet your deductible, you pay 20% of the cost for services, and the plan pays the rest. If you meet the out-of-pocket maximum, the plan will pay 100% of covered services for the rest of the plan year. If you are covering dependents, the $3,000 family deductible must be met before coinsurance begins for any family member. The Health Savings Account, or HSA, helps you cover eligible out-of-pocket healthcare costs. It is a tax-favored account that you use to pay for medical expenses, both now and in the future. You contribute pre-tax dollars to the account. This lowers your taxable income and gives you more take-home pay. Account balances accrue interest tax-free. You withdraw funds tax-free when you pay for qualified healthcare expenses. Qualified medical expenses include most medical care that is subject to your deductible, prescription drugs, and dental and vision care. You may change the amount you contribute to the HSA at any time during the year. The HSA is not a use it or lose it account. It will roll over year to year. Also, the account is yours, so if you leave NOV, the account will still be available to you. You can only contribute funds to your HSA up to the IRS maximum. NOV also contributes to your HSA, which will count towards the IRS maximum. Employees who elect employee-only coverage will receive $500 from NOV. Employees who elect all other coverage levels will receive $1,000. These funds will be deposited into your account in January 2016. If you are age 55 or older, you may contribute an additional $1,000 per year to help save additional money. For 2016 annual enrollment only, NOV will double the company contribution. You can receive an additional $500 for employee only or $1,000 for all other tiers if you enroll in the Consumer Plan plus HSA. NOV will fund the additional portion on a prorated basis each month. Your medical plans include prescription drug coverage through Optum Rx, formerly known as Catamaran. In addition, for 2016, Optum Rx is making changes to the formulary. The formulary list will be posted on the NOV benefits portal for your reference. When discussing your prescription medications with your doctor, keep in mind that generic drugs can reduce your overall costs while still being as safe and effective as brand name prescriptions. To give you easier access to medical care, NOV has partnered with MD Live, one of the country's leading telemedicine companies. With MD Live, you have access to board-certified doctors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year through your phone, smartphone, or the Internet. Whether you are at home or traveling, you always have access to secure and confidential care any time of the day or night. MD Live gives you the option to speak with a doctor on the phone or have a video conference using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Type of access will vary due to state regulations. Consultations are convenient and affordable. MD Live doctors are there to help you with non-emergency medical issues. Oftentimes, your primary doctor or child's pediatrician may not be available on your schedule. With one consultation, you can have the peace of mind you need and a plan to help you feel better. MD Live doctors can also prescribe short-term medications and send the prescription directly to your pharmacy. In 2016, NOV will offer one nationwide dental plan through Cigna. With the NOV dental plan, you can visit any dentist. However, you will save money by receiving care from a Cigna network dentist. Your vision coverage will continue to be offered through VSP. In the past, your vision benefit has been bundled with medical coverage. For 2016, the vision plan will be a standalone benefit election, and you must enroll to have coverage going forward. You can enroll in vision coverage even if you do not elect medical coverage. Your vision coverage is fully paid for by NOV. The flexible spending accounts are a great way to save money by reducing your taxable income. The pre-tax dollars you set aside will reimburse you for eligible healthcare and dependent care expenses. Beginning in 2016, Discovery Benefits will be our new FSA vendor. There are 3 types of FSAs. The Health FSA for eligible medical, dental, and vision expenses. A Limited Health FSA for those who enroll in the Consumer Plan plus HSA. This account can only be used for dental and vision expenses. And the Dependent Care FSA for eligible dependent daycare or dependent elder care needs. When you enroll in an FSA, the annual amount you choose to contribute will be automatically deducted in equal installments from your paycheck on a pre-tax basis throughout the year. Keep in mind that there are strict dates by which you must use the full amount in your FSAs, or you will lose any remaining funds. For 2016, the funds must be used for services provided by December 31st, 2016. The funds will be forfeited if expenses are not incurred by December 31st, 2016. Submit receipts to Discovery Benefits by March 31st, 2017. When you participate in either the Health FSA or Limited Health FSA, you can set aside up to $2,550 per year. If you participate in the Dependent Care FSA, you can set aside up to $5,000 per year or $2,500 if you are married and filing taxes separately to pay for eligible dependent care expenses so that you and your spouse, if you are married, can work or attend school full-time. Discovery Benefits will send you a debit card that can be used to pay for qualified services and products. When you use the debit card, your FSA is cash flow friendly, with no cash to pay at the time of purchase. Easy. Simply swipe your debit card every time you have an eligible expense. Fast. Your funds are automatically deducted from your FSA. And simple to track. Your current balance is available online 24/7. You can receive reimbursement up to the Dependent Care FSA balance in your account. The FSA debit card may be used to pay for eligible dependent care expenses, or you may submit a claim to Discovery Benefits. Another item to review during your 2016 enrollment is your voluntary life insurance. If you have previously elected voluntary life insurance coverage amounts for yourself and your spouse, these amounts will remain the same. Employees currently enrolled in voluntary life may be eligible to enroll in additional life insurance in increments of $10,000 up to $50,000 without getting insurance approval, as long as the coverage does not exceed 5 times your base annual salary or $1,500,000, whichever is less. Additionally, if your spouse is currently enrolled in voluntary life coverage, they may be eligible to enroll in additional life insurance in increments of $10,000 up to $20,000 without getting insurance approval, as long as the coverage does not exceed the guaranteed issued amount of $100,000. If you elect child life coverage, a flat amount of $10,000 will be available in 2016. All employees who have previously elected a lower amount will be defaulted to $10,000 going forward. By January, you may receive the following, depending on the elections you make during annual enrollment. A medical ID card from Blue Cross Blue Shield. If you elect employee-only coverage, you will receive 1 card. If you cover dependents, you will receive 2 cards. Both will list only the employee name. If you need additional cards, contact Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas. If you enroll in a medical plan, you will also receive a welcome kit from Optum Rx. If you enroll in dental coverage, you will receive a new dental card from Cigna, even if you had this coverage the prior year. If you enroll in the Consumer Plan Plus HSA, you will receive a welcome kit and debit card from HSA Bank. Discovery Benefits will send a debit card if you elect to participate in any of the FSAs. Cards and welcome kits will be mailed to your home address on file directly from the carriers or vendors. If you have any questions, please refer to your 2016 Annual Enrollment Guide, visit the NOV Benefits portal, or contact the NOV Benefits Service Center. If you have questions about providers or the insurance coverage, you can also contact the carriers listed in your enrollment materials. The remainder of this presentation is an overview of the entire NOV benefits program. We appreciate your commitment to health and honor that commitment by providing you diverse benefit options. We also continue to cover the majority of the cost of providing these benefits to make the plans affordable. Your health and well-being are important. One of your greatest resources is your benefits program, which gives you and your family access to excellent medical, prescription drug, dental, and vision care. NOV also offers flexible spending accounts, life and AD&D insurance, disability insurance, 401k, and other benefits such as an employee assistance program. This benefits program gives you the tools and resources you and your family need to live happy, healthy, and productive lives. Let's review eligibility requirements and enrollment instructions. Regular full-time employees, normally scheduled to work 30 or more hours per week, are eligible to participate in NOV's Health and Welfare Benefits program on their date of hire. Part-time employees may participate in medical, dental, vision, FSAs, and 401k plans. You are eligible for benefits on your date of hire or eligibility date, and premiums will be effective on that date. Your eligible dependents include your legal spouse and your children up to age 26. You may also enroll children you have legal custody of or your biological grandchildren. You will need to provide documentation supporting the relationship between you and your dependents before coverage for your dependents will begin. See the Benefit Highlights booklet for more details. You must enroll in benefits within 31 days of first becoming eligible. This would typically be your date of hire. You can enroll by logging on to www.usbenefits.nov.com or by calling the Benefits Service Center. If you do not enroll for coverage within 31 days, you will not have health coverage during the plan year unless you experience a qualified change in family status. You will have a chance to enroll in coverage once per year during annual enrollment. If you experience a qualified change in family status, you will have the opportunity to make mid-year changes to your benefit elections. Examples of a qualified change in family status include marriage, divorce, birth or adoption of a child, or gain or loss of health coverage. It is your responsibility to notify NOV within 31 days after a qualifying event. You will need to provide documentation of the event, such as a marriage certificate or birth certificate. Any benefit changes must be directly related to the qualified change in family status. Quality medical care is the foundation of a healthy life. That's why we provide medical plans that offer the greatest value at a competitive price. NOV provides 4 nationwide medical plans. Let's review your coverage options. All of your NOV medical plans offer free in-network preventive care. Your annual checkups, well-child visits, immunizations, and other preventive services are covered 100%. There are 3 PPO plans offered with varying coverage levels and premiums. These plans offered through Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas provide both in-network or out-of-network services for your care. Keep in mind that if you seek care from in-network providers, you will have lower out-of-pocket costs, such as your deductible and coinsurance. In-network coverage can be received through a participating Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas network provider. Visit www.bcbstx.com to find a provider near you. The Consumer Plan Plus HSA combines a consumer-driven health plan with a health savings account. You must meet your deductible before the plan begins to pay, except for in-network preventive care. After you meet your deductible, you and the plan share the cost until you meet the out-of-pocket maximum, at which time the plan covers 100% of your covered medical costs for the rest of the plan year. If you are covering dependents, the $3,000 family deductible must be met before coinsurance begins for any family member. The Health Savings Account, or HSA, helps you cover eligible out-of-pocket healthcare costs. It is a tax-favored account that you use to pay for medical expenses, both now and in the future. You contribute pre-tax dollars to the account. This lowers your taxable income and gives you more take-home pay. Account balances accrue interest tax-free. You withdraw funds tax-free when you pay for qualified healthcare expenses. Qualified medical expenses include most medical care that is subject to your deductible, prescription drugs, and dental and vision care. You may change the amount you contribute to the HSA at any time during the year. The HSA is not a use-it-or-lose-it account. It will roll over year to year. Also, the account is yours, so if you leave NOV, the account will still be available to you. You can only contribute funds to your HSA up to the IRS maximum. NOV also contributes to your HSA, which will count towards the IRS maximum. Employees who elect employee-only coverage will receive $500 from NOV. Employees who elect all other coverage levels will receive $1,000. Your contributions and NOV's contributions combined cannot exceed the IRS maximum. If you are age 55 or older, you may contribute an additional $1,000 per year to help save additional money. For more information on the HSAs, including eligibility rules, refer to the Benefit Highlights booklet. Prescription drugs are covered under all of the medical plans through Optum Rx. There's both a 30-day retail option and a 90-day mail order option. When discussing your prescription medications with your doctor, keep in mind that generic drugs can reduce your overall costs while still being as safe and effective as their brand name counterparts. Talk to your doctor about any questions regarding your specific medications in order to receive the most quality and cost-effective option. To give you easier access to quality medical care, NOV has partnered with MD Live, one of the country's leading telemedicine companies. With MD Live, you have access to board-certified doctors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days. MD Live doctors are there to help you with non-emergency medical issues and give you the peace of mind you need to help you feel better. MD Live doctors can also prescribe short-term medications and send the prescription directly to your pharmacy. Consultations are affordable. MD Live gives you the option to speak with a doctor on the phone or have a video conference using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Whether you are at home or traveling, you always have access to secure and confidential care any time of the day or night. Type of access varies due to state regulations. Good health includes healthy teeth and gums. That's why NOV offers you comprehensive dental care through Cigna, designed to help you maintain a healthy smile with regular preventive care and to fix any problems as soon as they occur. If you enroll in the NOV dental plan, you are free to choose any dentist at the time you need care. Remember, plan benefits are more cost-effective when you use an in-network dentist. To find an in-network dentist, visit www.mycigna.com. An important part of your benefits package is vision care. NOV offers vision coverage to all eligible employees through Vision Service Plan, better known as VSP. In addition to a wide range of providers, the vision plan includes benefits for eye exams, eyeglasses, and contact lenses. You may visit a doctor within the VSP network and take advantage of higher benefits coverage, or visit an out-of-network provider of your choice for a reduced benefit. Ask your doctor about other discounts for VSP participants. Your plan benefits are more cost-effective when you use an in-network provider. To find an in-network provider near you, visit www.vsp.com. NOV pays the full premium for this coverage. Flexible spending accounts are a great way to save money by reducing your taxable income. The pre-tax dollars you set aside will reimburse you for eligible out-of-pocket health care and dependent care expenses. The FSAs are administered by Discovery Benefits. There are 3 types of FSAs. The Health FSA for eligible medical, dental, and vision expenses. The Limited Health FSA for those who enroll in the Consumer Plan Plus HSA. This account can only be used for eligible dental and vision expenses. And the Dependent Care FSA for eligible dependent daycare needs. Each year that you would like to participate in the FSAs, you must elect the amount you want to contribute to any of the FSAs. Your election does not carry over from year to year. When you enroll in an FSA, the annual amount you choose to contribute will be automatically deducted in equal installments from your paycheck on a pre-tax basis throughout the year. Keep in mind that there are strict dates by which you must use the full amount in your FSAs, or you will lose any remaining funds. The funds will be forfeited if expenses are not incurred by the end of the year. Submit receipts to Discovery Benefits by March 31st following the end of the year. When you participate in either the Healthcare FSA or Limited Health FSA, you can set aside money up to the IRS limits each year to use to pay for expenses. These contributions will be withheld on a pre-tax basis. You can use the debit card to pay for qualified services and products. When you use the debit card, your FSA is easy. Simply swipe your debit card every time you have an eligible expense. Fast. Your funds are automatically deducted from your FSA. And simple to track. Your current balance is available online 24/7. You may also submit receipts for reimbursement. If you participate in the Dependent Care FSA, you can set aside money on a pre-tax basis to pay for eligible dependent care expenses so that you and your spouse, if you are married, can work or attend school full-time. You can be reimbursed for expenses up to the Dependent Care FSA balance in your account. Economic security for your family is a major consideration in financial planning. NOV helps you meet this important need by providing you with life and disability insurance underwritten by UNUM. Basic life and accidental death and dismemberment, AD&D insurance coverage, is provided at no cost to you. The benefit will be 2 times your annual base salary, up to $1 million. You also have the choice to purchase additional life and AD&D insurance for you, your spouse, and your children for the amount shown on your screen. Evidence of insurability, EOI, may be required if you add or increase your elections outside of your initial enrollment period. Make sure you choose a beneficiary when you elect coverage. NOV also covers 100% of the cost to provide you with disability coverage in case you are ill or injured and unable to work for an extended period of time. Disability benefits help replace a portion of your income until you are able to return to work. If eligible, you will automatically receive short-term and long-term disability coverage at no cost to you. You may also purchase buy-up LTD coverage to increase your monthly benefit. Keep in mind that LTD benefits are coordinated with other sources of income, such as Social Security, state disability programs, and workers' compensation. NOV offers you additional benefits, such as the Employee Assistance Program. You can also enroll in other supplemental benefits, such as critical illness and whole life insurance. The Employee Assistance Program allows you and your family to receive assistance with a variety of work and life issues, such as legal advice, financial consultation, and parenting and family services, at no cost to you. Also, licensed counselors can provide you up to 6 face-to-face counseling sessions. EAP counselors can be reached 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for confidential assistance with nearly any personal matter you may be experiencing. You have business travel accident insurance coverage. The benefit payable is up to $250,000 for accidental death or dismemberment claims that occur while an employee is traveling on company business. NOV has contracted with International SOS to provide medical, security, and travel assistance to employees traveling internationally on business with NOV. Visit www.internationalsos.com to learn more. Blue Cross Blue Shield also provides medical coverage when you are traveling internationally, either for business or pleasure. Visit www.bluecardworldwide.com for more information. Critical illness insurance is designed to help offset the indirect costs associated with a covered critical illness. Some of the covered conditions are cancer, heart attack, and stroke. Employees can also elect whole life insurance to help meet your current and future financial needs. In addition to a death benefit, this plan offers level premiums throughout the life of the policy and accumulates cash value that you can use while you are living. You purchase the level of coverage you need up to a set amount. The election period for these benefits is typically in June each year. Information will be mailed to your home address prior to the enrollment period. To help you save for retirement, the company sponsors the National Oil Well Varco 401k and Retirement Savings Plan. If you have any questions about the 401k and Retirement Savings Plan, contact Wells Fargo, the plan administrator. You are immediately eligible to enroll in the 401k and are automatically enrolled at a 4% contribution after 60 days. Contributions are invested in the target date model appropriate for your age unless you elect a different investment option. Contribution elections may be changed or stopped anytime. There are 3 types of contributions you can make to the 401k. Pre-tax contributions from 1 to 100% of pay, regular after-tax contributions up to 18%, or Roth 401k after-tax contributions from 1 to 100% of pay. Or you may choose to contribute any combination of the 3. After 1 year of service, NOV will begin matching your contributions to the plan. The match is dollar for dollar up to the first 4% you contribute to the plan. The match is calculated and funded each payroll period. To maximize your match opportunity, make sure you have a contribution of at least 4% deducted from each paycheck throughout the year. In addition to the match, the company will begin making a retirement contribution of 2.5% to 5.5% based on years of service to your account each payroll period. You are always 100% vested in the contributions you make to the 401k and the contributions the company makes on your behalf. The IRS limits the amount you may contribute to a 401k plan in a calendar year. The limit applies to your pre-tax and Roth 401k contributions combined. Participants age 50 or older by the end of the year are eligible to make catch-up contributions. If you are eligible, catch-up contributions are automatically deducted after you reach the above-referenced calendar year contribution limit. These limits are subject to change each year. If you have any questions about the plans discussed in this presentation, please refer to your Highlights Guide, the NOV Benefits Portal, or contact the NOV Benefits Service Center. For questions regarding providers, coverage levels, or claims, you can also contact the insurance carriers directly. Their contact information is in your benefits materials. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this benefits presentation. We know your time is valuable, and that being informed of your benefits and how to make the right decisions is important to you.